To make a shirt, find an appropriate sized piece of construction paper, sketch out a neckline, then add some shoulders and cut it out. Then glue it on down. Remember, glue around the edges. So, I've got a wonderful self-portrait collage, but I'm totally bald. So, I'm ready to do the hair. Here's how I would do my hair. First, I'm going to put this to the side. So I'm going to take a piece of construction paper and a face tracer. I'm going to put the face tracer in the middle and trace it. I'm using a marker so you can see. You're going to want to do this in pencil so you can erase. Once I have my face tracer, I'm just going to draw my hair. One of the things that's noticeable about me is I have some bangs that go across my forehead. So I'm just going to sketch out my bangs. Then I have long hair that kind of goes above my head and down. And it's really long, so I'm going to draw it off the page. And it kind of parts in the middle. I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side. And I'd say that looks pretty close to my hair. Once I like how the hair looks on my paper, I cut it out. As I cut, I'm going to cut all my lines so that my hair is in a couple different pieces. If my hair is in a couple different pieces, that'll make it easier to place on my collage. So now I've got hair that I can arrange around my face. And I'm actually going to trim mine up, make it a little bit skinnier, because I notice it's kind of covering up my face a bit. So now I've got my hair. If I want, I can put my ears on top of my hair, like so. But usually when I wear my hair down, my ears kind of disappear. So I'm not going to glue these down. I'm just going to put them to the side so that it looks like me. I needed to do short hair. What I could do is take a smaller piece of paper, trace the top half of my template, and then I can draw some shorter hair. Boys, if you have spiky hair, it might look something like this. So here's spiky hair, which I could put on a head, like that. And then I could add my ears. So there's some short spiky hair. Let's say you've got hair that is maybe a little bit like Justin Bieber, and you've got a swoop. You do the same thing like I did with my hair. And then just a little bit of hair on top. So here's some blonde hair. And again, I can add some ears. And voila. So you're really going to want to use this face template to help you with your hair, because it's going to help you get the perfect shape for the top of your head. I'm going to go ahead and glue down the Mrs. Silva hair. Okay, I've got everything glued down. I've got a basic face.